It's time for Silly President Tricks with Lydia Karaoke.
Hi, folks. Hi, Gray. Hi, Gray.
Hi, Lydia.
Okay. The show where our panel tries to guess the occupation of a famous historical figure. Ready, panel? Okay, let's bring out today's contestant.
Hello, my dad is the father of our nation, the first president of the United States, George Washington.
Well, this ought to be a cinch. Okay, Pepper, go ahead and see if you can guess.
Here, we're willing to throw in right now for no additional cost. The Bill of Rights!
The number one answer.
Good answer, good answer.
Okay, Blue Team, we go to General Grant.
We're just different. I mean, the North's industrial, the South's agricultural. We got factories, they got farms.
Okay, Pepper, go ahead.
Read my lips, no one interferes. John Tyler is the 10th president who rode General the Horse around here somewhere.
There you go. Yes, that was a big reason for the war. General Sherman, your turn.
President Teddy Roosevelt here. Between the years of 1903 and 1914, treacherous terrain, disease-ridden swamps, and dangerous animals all added up to make the canal a deadly place to be.
Well, this ought to be a cinch. Okay, Pepper, go ahead. Yes! Good answer. Correct! My, you're a tall drink of firewater, aren't you? Okay, panel, this ought to be easy. Let's get this over with so Wild Bill can take me out to dinner.
Look, eggies. Eggies. Hello, little brother. Hello, little sister.
It's quite alright, little bird. It's just an eggs for fun. And now I'm gonna do the magic tricks by myself.
Well, darn, we're all out of time for today's show. There were no Yankees or rebels without a cause. I'm Lydia Karaoke. Join us next time, and remember, war is never civil. It's uncivil. Bye-bye.
Like me, Tricky Dick. And let me show you my silly presidential trick. My jaws.